Ever wondered how the ancient African people produced iron before the advent of modern technology? Follow me as I take you back to ancient times, showing you the step-by-step processes involved in making iron back in the days. The African people mined iron ore from deposits found in the earth, often extracting hematite and magnetite. They produced charcoal by burning wood in a low oxygen environment, as charcoal served as both fuel and a reducing agent in iron smelting. The ore and charcoal were placed in a clay or earthen furnaces, which were typically built into the ground. These furnaces reached high temperatures necessary for smelting. Bellows made from animal skins were used to blow air into the furnace, increasing the temperature and facilitating the chemical reactions. As the iron ore was smelted, it would separate from the slag, allowing for the collection of molten iron. The extracted iron was then shaped through hammering on anvils into tools and weapons, such as knives, hoes, and eventually guns. Sometimes, they incorporated other materials to create alloys, enhancing the strength and durability of the iron products. Iron production was often a community effort, with different families or clans specializing in various aspects of the process. Iron tools and weapons were crucial for agriculture and warfare, leading to trade with neighboring regions. This combination of mining, smelting, and forging techniques illustrates the ingenuity and craftsmanship of the ancient African people in iron production.